Is top winner, Mark is runner-up, and this is the first showcase.
Your showcase is filled with prizes designed to help you enjoy land, sea, and air. And we'll start with a terrific way to experience the sea. It's with this new scuba gear. For exploring those coral reefs with the sponge beds, tanks, regulators, backpacks, masts, and fins, just be sure you receive proper instructions before you begin. Next, make any adventure on land extra special when you camp out in a new camping trailer. The Starflyer by Starcraft. This lightweight camper is fully equipped with 3-burner range, drapes, and icebox. Sets up in minutes, sleeps 6 comfortably from Starcraft. Finally, there's nothing more exciting than when you soar with the Eagles in your new ultralight airplane. This is the Quicksilver MX from Hyper Aircraft. Maneuverability powered by a 30-horsepower engine. Needs less than a 50-foot run to become airborne. It's from Hyper Aircraft. And this showcase filled with prizes designed to help you enjoy land, sea, and air can be yours if the price is right.
Bid or pass?
Pass.
Pass. Mark, what do you bid?
$12,000.
$12,000 is his bid on that showcase. Now, Sherry, this showcase is for you.
Your showcase features prizes delivered to our train depot by the Price is Right train. And here she comes now, loaded with prizes. And the first car that pulls in is carrying a new dinette set. Romantic rich dark wood, beautiful tinted glass panel inserts and gleaming brilliant brass highlight this attractive Chromecraft casual dining group from Chromecraft. Frigidaire's top-of-the-line laundry pair. The washer has big 18-pound capacity, variable water miser control, new Halo spray fill system. The dryer includes an extra wide door opening and 4 temperature settings from Frigidaire Appliances. Following the washer and dryer, we have a china cabinet. The extraordinary 2-piece cupboard features plenty of storage for fine china, silverware, or linens. It'll make a lovely addition to your dining area. But at the end of the train, we don't have a caboose. Instead, it's a console piano. The Chickering console, 160 years of exceptional craftsmanship, incomparable beauty and tone, the golden Primavera console from Chickering and Son. And this showcase featuring prizes delivered to our priceless train depot can be yours if the price is right.
What's your bid, Sherry?
$7,300.
$7,300, and we'll be right back. Sherry, your bid is $7,300, and Sherry, the actual retail price is $7,928, a difference of $628. Good bid. Mark, you bid $12,000. Actual retail price of your showcase, $11,767. You're over. You win, Sherry. You have done very well for yourself.
Thank you.
You really have. Very good bidding. We'll go over and have a look at those prizes as soon as I say this is Bob Barker reminding you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, everybody.
This is Johnny Olson speaking for The Price is Right, a Mark Dixon television production.